Here at Goodway, we make specialty equipment for specialty applications. Today we're going to show you how to use our W-265CDP. It's a continuous duty wet vac that can vacuum and pump, take solids, remove the solids, and pump only the liquids back. And today we're going to show it to you with food. So to start this up, you're going to want to make sure that you have your power on. It's going to indicate that you have power. Right now we have the pump turned off. We're going to turn that back on later. And we're just going to turn the on button on by hitting on. Okay, now that the vacuum's come to rest, we're going to go ahead and empty it. To empty it's very easy. Make sure the pump is off. And now you have a couple of connectors here. These are all quick disconnect connectors, but it's going to allow us access to the rollout container. And remember, we just sucked up all that leafy greens, solid material, and all that liquid. Now we pumped most of the liquid off. There's still going to be some in there. So manually, I would drain that from the bottom, because this could be heavy depending on how much material you have in there. It is on the skid still, so it's not going to roll out perfectly because I'm not on a flat surface. But let's take a look at what we have here. Now, we talked about all that leafy material getting caught in the vacuum. Well, we have a filter bag liner here. Take a look in our strainer bag. There's all the material we caught. But even better, we have a screen strainer bag. So only the material that can get through 2 layers of filtration like this is going to be in the liquid. That's going to be hardly any solids. Then you can take this out, dispose of it. So that's the way you can continuously duty vacuum and pump water while you have solids, especially leafy greens, solid vegetables, and other types of materials. That's in our W-265CDP Continuous Duty Wet Vacuum by Goodway.